Hi everyone, I'm Mary and welcome to another TalentLMS quick tip. Recently Jessica sent a question and here it is.
I am looking for an LMS for my company. An important element for us is the automation of our compliance training for our employees. Do you have features that would help us with that?
Of course, Jessica. Learners can repeat their training every year or the custom duration. Let me show you how using certificates. Enter your portal as administrator, move to courses, and click the course you would like learners to retake automatically. On the course info page, add your certificate and set for how long it will be valid. Let's say 60 days. To set this up, use the custom duration option and the slider you have on the screen. Now tick Reassign Course to User, and from the drop-down list, choose when the course will be reassigned to users. This is an essential step as this will define when the course will be reset and assigned again to your learners automatically. And that's today's tip. See you soon for another TalentLMS quick tip.